guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to unbox this HAIRDOOZ. I don't know what is inside. Let's open.
Thousand years later.
Let's try to open this. 3, 2, 1, go! Yeah. There we go. Wow!
Let me see what's inside.
Oh my God! Wow!
Oh, it smells good. It smells like cotton candy. She has a long hair and she has a headband. The rocking chair look like this. You can sit her in the chair. And she has a cape. She smells so good. There you go. And we're going to sit her right here in the rocking chair. Here we go. There. Her bums is so long, like me. You can turn it like that. You can stick it on the table. This. That's her face. Her headband is so cute, right, Mama? Buy this on SM Toy Kingdom for only 90 pesos. HAIRDOOZ. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.